Hello designers, in this tutorial video, I'll demonstrate how to randomly colorize shapes in After Effects. Let's begin by creating a new composition. Draw a shape using the ellipse tool or any other shape tool of your choice, such as the star tool, polygon tool, or rectangle tool. I'll create a circle for this demonstration. Next, align the circle within the composition. Now, let's create a new Null layer by navigating to Layer, New, Null Object. Then, go to Effects, Expression Controls, and choose Color Control. In the Color control, choose your desired color. If you're wondering why your color panel displays these particular colors, S, brightness, B, and at the bottom, RGB colors. I've selected these R colors. Pick any color you prefer. Now, let's create a duplicate of this color. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. In the second color, Ctrl 2, select your desired color. Once that's done, lock the Effect Controls panel. Then, navigate to Shape Layer 1 Options. Then select Ellipse 1, and proceed to Fill 1 Options. Click on it to apply an expression to this color. Press Alt on your keyboard and click on the stopwatch next to Colors. Here we'll apply the effect. Write VAR. Then C1 is equal to. Now, hold the pick whip, drag it, and drop it onto the color control 1. An expression will automatically appear. After that, press semicolon and enter for the next effect. Now, write varc2 is equal to. And again, click on the pick whip icon, dragging and dropping it onto the color control 2 color. Press semicolon, then enter for the third expression, which would be random, followed by round brackets. Inside the round brackets, write C1, C2. Press semicolon. Let's observe the effect now. To adjust the speed of the effect, we'll apply an expression above the existing ones. Click on top and press Enter to move all the expressions downwards. Then, in the first one, write posterizeTime, followed by round brackets. Inside the brackets, specify the desired speed, such as 3 for slower or 5 for faster. Additionally, you can copy the expression from the description provided below this video. If it's too slow, you can adjust the time value. Let's try 5 now. In the posterizeTime expression, write 5, and observe the effect. Once this is done, you can always change the colors of color 1 and color 2 from here. Once that's done, select both, go to Layer, and pre-compose them. Now, I'll fast-forward the video a bit to save time. I'm duplicating these circles, making them smaller, and arranging them to create an illusion of a floral or circular mirror design like this. It looks really cool. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel.